Gradually increase the temperature to around 235 degrees, aiming to reduce it by 25 to 35%. The sauce should be reduced before adjusting for seasoning to prevent intensification of salinity. After the sauce has been cooled to approximately 135 degrees, incorporate 5 egg yolks and blend until emulsified. Gradually elevate the temperature until the sauce achieves thickening, ensuring it does not surpass 230 degrees. Continue processing until the desired viscosity is attained. For extra richness, consider adding a touch of butter, although it's not part of the traditional recipe. Why do I use a dry brine composed of salt and sugar? I dry brine with a bit of sugar and salt to enhance flavor. The sugar adds a nice flavor, while the salt prevents the leaching of albumin, a protein in salmon, which can cause white streaks or globs on the fish once it's cooked. What is albumin? Albumin is a flavorless, moisture-rich protein that collects on the surface of salmon as it cooks. It is completely natural and a normal part of the salmon cooking process. As salmon is exposed to heat, the albumin-filled moisture begins to surface, creating a milky coating on the salmon. This is what we see as albumin on the cooked fish. Salt plays a crucial role in this process, loosening the protein strands and helping the fish retain moisture, thereby mitigating the leaching of albumin.
Prepare for a truly delightful experience. The Asian Sabayon sauce offers a light and delicate flavor with just the right amount of umami from the miso. I found that processing the salmon at this particular time and temperature resulted in a wonderfully moist, buttery, velvety texture that traditional methods cannot achieve. Additionally, the low temperature allowed me to use a scorching hot pan, resulting in a crispy skin that was not only enjoyable to eat, but also very flavorful.